As the Honorable Mao, who is apparently a quiet student of our tactics, reminded me, we always make a distinction between the misleaders and the misled. And after we have been doing that, like some of the people who have been, I know there are some more. The other day I talked to 53 people whom I knew to be with one of the army components. 2 have been released. 51 are there, they will also be released. These were helping that particular group. We're helping that particular group to know more about the scheme of the miscalculators. But all the people will be, I have agreed with the presidents of the parties that apart from the 51, who will be released unconditionally and also assisted to settle, because they have helped us to know more about the scheme of these miscalculators. There are others who are arrested and even taken to court martial, this one here and there. I will ask the DPP to review each case and recommend soft landing for many of them, because many of them are really misled, and separate them from the misleaders.